Hello viewers, today we'll discuss the topic and duties of the principal. The duties of a principal towards his agent are the rights of a agent against the principal. The rights of an agent have already been discussed. Duty to indemnify for the lawful acts. The principal has a duty to indemnify the agent against the consequences of all lawful acts done by the agent in exercise of the authority conferred upon him. Duty to indemnify against the consequences of the acts done in the good faith, where the principal employs an agent to do an act. An agent does the act in the good faith. The principal has a duty to indemnify the agent against the consequences of that act, even though it causes an injury to the rights of a third person. Duty to compensate. The principal has a duty to compensate the agent for the injury sustained by him by the neglect or the want of skill on the part of a principal. Duty to pay. It is the duty of a principal to pay the agent the agreed remuneration if there is no agreement to a reasonable remuneration unless he agrees to act without it. What are the rights of a principal? The principal can enforce all the duties of agent, which are the indirectly the rights of a principal. The principal has the following rights against the agent: right to revoke. The principal can revoke the authority given to his agent, except in the case of the irrecoverable agency or where the authority has been exercised. For example, Pervez employed the Ahmed to rent out his house. Afterward, Pervez rented the house himself. This is the revocation of Ahmed authority as an agent by the principal. Right in the case of the departure from the direction, where an agent conducts the business of agency otherwise than the instruction of a principal, then the principal must be compensated by the agent for any loss sustained, is entitled to profit if any not debt accrues from the transaction. For example, Paris, the principal instructs his agent Amr to insure the goods. Amr neglects to do so. Amr is liable to compensate Paris if the goods gets damaged. Right in the case of a misconduct, the principal is entitled to compensation for any loss which is the direct consequences of engaged neglect, want of skill, or misconduct. Right to accounts. It is the right of the principal that proper accounts are provided to by him by the engaged when the demands. Right to the account. It is the right of a principal that the proper accounts are provided to him by the agent when he demands. Uh, right to right to repudiate. Right to repudiate. If an agent deals on his own account in the business of agency without the first getting prior consent of his principal, it is the right of a principal to repudiate the transaction. Example, Palvasha directs her agent Abid to buy a certain house on her behalf. Abid buys it for himself. Palvasha can cancel the contract. Right to claim the benefit. If an agent secured secret profit during the course of agency without getting prior consent from the principal, then the principal is entitled to claim on the benefits resulting from the transaction. Right to refuse the remuneration. If an agent has committed misconduct in the business of agency, then the principal can refuse to pay the remuneration or for that party which has been misconducting. Example, the Paris asked his agent Abid to sell his house. Abid sell his house for 10 lakh, but tells Paris that he sold it for the 8 lakh. Paris can recover the balance from Abid. Paris can also refuse to pay remunerate through Abid. Termination by the act of the parties. Mutual agreement or contract of agency can be terminated by at any time by the mutual agreement of the principal and the agent. Compensation where there is an express or the employed contract that the agency should be continued for any period of time. The principal must take the compensation to the agent for the revocation of agency without the sufficient cause. Reasonable notice. Reasonable notice must be given of the revocation of agency where the agency is for a fixed period of time. Otherwise, the damage thereby resulting to the agent must be compensated by the principal to the agent. Expressed or the implied. Revocation may be expressed or may be implied by the conduct of a principal. Termination. The termination or authority of an agent takes effect as regard to the agent from the time when it becomes known to him, as regard third person from the time it becomes known to them. Even when the agency terminated on the death of the principal, the termination is effective when it comes to the knowledge of a third party. Effect of termination. The agent would be entitled to indemnify the for the act done and to receive the remuneration for a period before the remuneration. Example: Pervez employed the Ahmed to rent out his house. Afterward, the Pervez rents the house himself. This is the revocation of Ahmed authority as an agent by the principal. Thank you so much.